All right, you ready to clean the litter box? I don't want to do it.
Well, I don't want to do it either.
Hey. So last year we got ourselves a cat. You really talked us into it. Summer wanted to have a cat, and so did the SSL family mom. And so we went to PetSmart and we picked up this cat from, we adopted this cat. His name is what?
Potato Chip.
Potato Chip. We've named all of our cats. Well, Summer's pretty much named all of our cats after food, desserts, or snacks. He does serve a purpose around here. We live in the woods and we do have issues with mice, whether it's in our garage or around our house. And so he has a purpose to keep the mice out of our house. That's the plan. One thing that I despise, what do you think that is?
Cleaning a litter box. Cleaning
a litter box. So I tried to give this job to this girl right here. You don't really like clean it either. No, nobody likes to clean the litter box. What if there was a better way? What if there was a way that we could have a cat but not have to clean the litter box? Well, I hope and I think that we have found that way. So in the back corner, last year I did a video on creating these little dog-proof litter box, the little kitty restroom here, and then the little kitty cafe. This is where the Chip's food goes. The cat can get in and out, but the dogs can't get in. Other than they're kind of ugly, they're not super nice looking, it has been working well, but who wants to look in the litter box? Oh no, we don't want to look in there. So today we are gonna install the super duper pooper scooper super duper cat litter fancy smart litter robot box. Okay, litter box, let's get this thing set up.
Do not push the door. Tofu cat litter. What?
Okay, pull the bag off the bottom.
There's a timer. Dad, want me to move it?
I don't think you have to. Sounds to me. All right, let's move it into the spot we want it. It says max and min.
Let's do
Sure how I'm supposed to. Oh.
Yay!
Oh, we can't because it makes sure that there's no cat in there. So it's shoveling, but we can't see it. So there's a big shovel in there with fingers, and it goes down like this through the litter, and then it comes up to the top, and it leaves the poop in the back. So that shuts so that he can't get in it while it's raking, so it doesn't rake him up.
There it goes.
All done.
All done.
Well, there's an ultraviolet light shining, you can see off to the side, right there. And that is actually sanitizing it. All right, we have it set up and we ran it through a couple cycles and got all of our phones set up with it and everything. This actually has a step on the front with this grate, so as the cat enters and comes out with litter on his feet, it'll get some of it, hopefully all of it will come off, and it falls into a little bin down there. One of the biggest problems we've had is this whole area gets litter all over it, and we have to constantly come down here and sweep it up. So hopefully this will help that. So what happens is the cat will enter and go to the bathroom. It gives it it's on a 20-minute delay, and so after 20 minutes the door closes automatically, and then there's a brush or like a comb that comes through the litter, and it actually comes from the back. It goes this way. It scoops out. It'll clump up whatever's in there, and it'll scoop up, and it delivers it to the bin in the back. So it just falls into this trash bag. It'll go into this UV mode. So I don't know if you can see this. There's a UV light in here. There's one on that side and one on this side. That's why it's blinking right now. You can set the time of how long this stays on there, but this is supposed to eliminate odors and also eliminate bacteria and things. UV light will kill all that. So that's what the mode it's in right now. So I just reset it so the blinking light stops. But it just takes any kind of litter. So that's one of the nice things about this particular model is that you can use regular litter. So this is just the cheap stuff. You don't have to use any special litter like their brand litter or anything like that. We got our phones set up with the app. There's an app you can use, which I'll actually show you on my phone that can track this thing, and you can control all the features. The controls are here on the side. There's a light you can turn on and off. And there's also a sleep mode. If this is in a bedroom, you don't want the light on at night, you can set to sleep mode. It'll turn the light off at night. It also has another delay button back here, but you can control all this with the app. It's Wi-Fi, so you don't have to really worry about too much with the controls. So this thing is really going to revolutionize having the cat here. I think it's going to be make things a lot easier. Stuff over here. Well, so far, this thing has been amazing. It has been working now for a couple weeks, and what I do is I've only emptied it once, so about a week and a half went by, and I just, all you do is open the back, and there's some messes in there again. It's just all in a trash bag. It comes with like 2 rolls of these little bags that fit that space. It's been working perfectly, so he uses it. You can actually track on the app how often he uses it, so it'll tell you when he's in there, when he's not. I have not been able to catch him coming in or out of it for video, but I know he's been in there because the UV light will come on, and there's 2 UV lights, one on each side that comes on just after it runs through its cleaning cycle. So you can see a lot of litter down in here too, which means this is working. There's still, I still see litter in front of it, so it's not perfect. Some of it still sticks to his feet, but this helps keep that down quite a bit. So we still keep the little kitty cafe over here. That bin is kind of ugly, but it certainly works to keep the dog out of his food. It's got the time on the side. This thing has just kind of changed everything for us as cat owners. We're busy, we don't have a lot of time, and this will always give him a clean place to go and help make our life easier. I definitely would recommend these. I've been looking at these things for years and always thought, they're not gonna work. They're gonna get clogged up. It's not gonna be consistent. I don't want another thing I have to fiddle around with and try to fix all the time. But this thing I have not touched it. I've literally just come down here and cleaned it one time in 2 weeks. So I have to say, so far, it has been extremely reliable. He's had no problem getting used to it, and he uses it just fine. So the problem with us is we're busy, and so no matter how much we commit to cleaning this thing, daily, every other day, even if we give the chore to the kids to do, however we've broken this up, we've tried all kinds of different ways over the years with cats, and it always ends up we're so busy a lot of times that it just gets overlooked, or we get away from it, or then it's a week has gone by or 2 weeks has gone by, and then we just have to dump the whole thing, put new litter in, and start over. Instead of wasting litter, this will be a lot more efficient as well in the long run. Let me know what you guys think of the automatic pet litter box, cat litter box. They have a few other things. I think this company, automated type things for feeding cats as well. So check out their website. I'll put a link in the description to this product as well as their website. You can check these things out, and it's pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one.